What is your name?
My name is Miss Louise.
Hello kids, I am Dr. Lily. Today I will tell you about your body. This is your heart. It goes boom, boom, boom. These are lungs. They help you breathe in and out. This is your brain. It helps you sing and learn. Your body is amazing. Take care of it and have fun jumping. Brain, lungs, eyes, and teeth.
Please take your money.
Thank you.
Let's make an ice cream. Please put on your dress and put your hands here. Ready, steady, go. Let's start.
I have clean hands. Let's move on. I like ice cream.
At the ice cream factory, the process begins with fresh milk and cream. They are mixed together and carefully heated. Next, the mixture is cooled and flavored. Then it is frozen and whipped until smooth. Finally, the ice cream is packed and ready to enjoy.
Now I can make ice cream. So yummy. I waiting for you tomorrow for ice cream. For beautiful touch. It will be so good. Bye bye.